How to get questions mandatory on Google Forms. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do to make your questions mandatory on Google Form is open up any web browser and then click on the three dots right here to open up Google Apps. Now from here, you're just going to have to search for Google Forms, so open it up. Or you could just go ahead and search for Google Forms here. And once you do that, hit enter and click on the first link right here. So I've already opened it here. And what you're going to have to do is create a blank form, or if you want to use any of the templates from above, you could do that as well. So I'm going to manually add all of the questions. So let's start with something like your name, and let's make it mandatory. So it has automatically updated my answer type to short answer. So once you have done that, if you want to make this question mandatory, you're going to toggle this button called required. And once that is done, the people need to answer this question before submitting the form, so they cannot skip this question. So let's add another one. Let's add for gender. And on the gender, let's make a multiple choice as it is here. And on the option 1, let's add male. On the option 2, let's add females. Let's add other, add option female, add option others. So once that is done, you can make it required as well. So let's add other option and then click on make it required. Now once all of this is done, you can just simply publish this form and then click on publish. And if you want to view the preview, you can do that as well. Click on this preview icon right here. And this little star right here, it indicates required questions. So you cannot submit your answer without answering these questions. So as you can see, the first submit button doesn't light up unless I answer everything, and then you can just click on submit after answering and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you next time.